my name is Jocelyn. This is my teaching channel. This is my Scofield Studio channel. This video is part of the HiTS series, which specifically works on ear training, sight reading, being a better musician. It doesn't deal so much with technique. So this exercise is a piggyback on an exercise that's called walking up intervals from do, do, re, mi, fa. And this exercise walks up and down. So when things do up and down, I call them pyramid. So these are pyramid intervals walking up from do. And what happens is we'll start with do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. And we'll walk up to the interval and then walk back down. And there are a couple good things about this exercise that help you become a better singer. One is when we jump intervals, when we sing melodies. Melodies are all just mostly jumping and stepping intervals. To be able to sing accurately and to understand how music works, it's important to know the distance between intervals. So if I sing do, so, the distance between that when it comes to the major scale is walking through do, re, mi, fa, so, do, so, and hearing the distance and hearing that interval as a perfect fifth is a really big deal, especially when you start singing out of your house. So if you're in a choir or you sing karaoke, being able to hit intervals is really important. So with this exercise, we're gonna walk up from low do, do, re, mi, do, all the way up to this do. So the whole exercise is basically singing the major scale a bunch of times and choosing where to stop and knowing where to stop. So as you're approaching, let's say la, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. That ends up being your arrival point. Then you walk back down. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. And also just getting used to the syllables. Going up is usually easier than going down. If you are a female, you're going to sing here. If you're a male, you're probably going to sing here. And if you're like, I don't know the difference, your voice will probably tell you where to go. You just really want to match the pitches if you can. That's the whole point of this, is to be able to match pitch and be able to navigate intervals in your voice. We're going to start with do, re, mi, re, do. And then I'm going to put the exercise right there so you can read it. If you can't read music, it's not a big deal, but this will help you start to learn to read music. All right, here we go. 1, ready, go. Do, breath. Do, breath. Do, re, mi, do, breath. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, do, breath. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, do, breath. That was without me. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now do, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now we've hit do. We're going to do do again. Do, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. And then we're going to go to ti, then la, then so, then fa, then mi, re, do. I'll mostly sing with you. If I don't, just keep singing. Ideally, you can do this by yourself anyways, but I'm here to help. 1, ready, go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now to ti. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now to la. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Fa. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, mi. Do, re, mi, re, do, re. Do, re, do. 1, do. Do. Okay. These exercises get incrementally more challenging. So if you reach a point where the exercise is too hard, do some of the previous exercises, maybe do 10 times each of the previous exercises, and then try this exercise again, or whatever exercise is a little bit too challenging. They're meant to get a little bit harder, but they're not going to get so hard that it's impossible. So even if it's hard right now, you'll be able to do it if you practice a little bit more with the beginning exercises. Okay, let's do this one more time because we're here. And if you want to do the hand signs, you can. Again, they mostly help you like visualize it. You can also like point to them. That's fine too. No judge. 1, ready, go. Do, do, re, do. Do, re, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, that's half of it. Now the second half, we walk up to do, then ti, then la, and so on. Ready, go. Do, re, mi, la, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, ti. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, la. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, so. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, fa. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Do, mi. Do, re, mi, re, do. Do, re, do, re, do. And then do. Do. Okay. Hopefully you got a good exercise. Let me know if this is helpful. If you didn't get it the first time, I would do it a dozen times, and I bet you'll get it after that. All right, good luck.